ću vas malo uputiti i reći o kućnim ljubimcima ili životinjama u Ugandi koje su kao kućni ljubimci.
It's totally a different story in Croatia and a different story in Uganda.
Potpuno razlika je...
Some people's attitudes towards pets.
Razlika je samog ponašanja prema životinjama u Ugandi, prema kućnim ljubimcima u Ugandi i Hrvatskoj.
Here people are good friends to animals like dogs, cats.
U Hrvatskoj imate, dosta ljudi imaju kućne ljubimce, pse, mačke.
But in Uganda it's totally different. There are very, very few people who welcome animals in their homes.
Dok u Ugandi je jako malo ljudi koji će primiti životinje kao dio svoje obitelji.
The Acholi live in the northern part of Uganda and they have a common border with southern Sudan. These are people with a very rich culture, with a long repertoire of traditional music and dances. This is not balancing competition. It is lukemi, a dance performed by young girls at social functions. The name of the dance lukemi is derived from its hand piano, an instrument that orchestrates this dance.
Mugulu, tu imus